Much for the entire night?
Stay here. And couldn't afford it.
Try me.
$300.
Done. Thank you. Now we can relax.
I'll be out in just a minute. That champagne kind of got to me.
I didn't hear you. What did you say?
I said I'll be out in just a minute.
What do you have in your hand? What are you hiding?
Nothing.
All right. Look, I do not want any drugs here. I don't want any of this. Get your things and your money and please leave.
I don't do drugs, all right? I stopped doing drugs when I was 14.
What is this? This is dental floss.
Yeah, so? I had all those strawberry seeds. And you should neglect your gums.
Sorry. Please continue.
Thank you. Are you going to watch?
No, I'm good.
Thank you.
It's just that very few people surprise me.
Yeah, well, you're lucky. Most of them shock the hell out of me. You're watching.
I'm going. Thank you very much.
I have a little carpet picnic here. Are you sure you don't want to drink?
I'm high on life, can't you tell?
You know, I never saw this episode.